Thank you, 3. Do we have anything dispatched to the I-95 incident?
Negative. We just had Engine 30 going to investigate.
Okay.
I'm also
still trying to locate it. I'm entering 95 southbound. See traffic backed up. Let's get some rescue assignment. I don't know what we have, but let's get something dispatched that way.
We're going to call for a rescue assignment at southbound I-95 at mile marker 53. You want me to go ahead and strike that out?
For now, let's go. Let's just send it.
Okay, message received.
Rescue line 96.
96.
Information, we'd like to break off this 14 box, head down towards Battalion 3.
Bridge, Spiro 7.
Get on 95. It's Pileup.
Truck 10, portable 1 to portable 2. Walk up here, bring the thermal imaging camera. We got the house filling up with smoke.
Rescue 1, one of the other addresses is 1600 block of Spence Street.
That could be a better location. Just get 47 on the way, too. I don't know if they're already dispatched, but it looks like it's going to be below 95.
Engine 47, as of right now, your operations are on fire ground. EMS 1, EMS 1. Engine 30, they're on EMS 1.
Medic 12.
12.
We're not going to need medical services for us or the occupants of the other vehicle, just please. Just advise everybody, it's a solid sheet of ice on this ramp, so please use caution.
Battalion 6 to communications. Can we separate the fire ground channels?
Battalion 3, your operations are going to be on fire ground 4.
Switching to fire ground 4.
Entrapment. Squad 26, Truck 6, Squad 54, Medic 5, EMS 6, Battalion G3, Battalion Chief EMS, Engine 30, Rescue 1, respond. Southbound I-95, mile marker 53. Also reported fire location. Rescue alarm, 95-11. Operations fire ground 4, fire ground 4. Squad 26, Truck 6, Squad 54, Engine 5, EMS 6, Battalion G3, Battalion Chief EMS, Engine 30, Rescue 1. Fire ground 4, fire ground 4. Southbound I-95, mile marker 53. 40 autolay with entrapment. Also reported vehicle fire location. Operations fire ground 4, fire ground 4 at 510. Use caution, ice in the area, several accidents.
For what we have up top. Okay, communications, let's get a unit to make their way. Do we have any confirmation at all that there's something on 95 because it looks low?
Battalion G3, we've got apparently multiple incidents. There could be 30 to 40 cars involved, probably all the way from 95 and 895 all the way up to 95 into Baltimore. Also have a report of a possible off-duty firefighter whose son has been struck somewhere on 95. I don't have a location, so we may have multiple incidents stretching over, from Howard County up to us.
Okay. Also, maybe think about some each way heading northbound on 95, coming down the other way.
Yeah, I'm going to give Howard County a call, see if I can get Howard to head north or Baltimore County possibly as well.
Okay, it appears that 95 is gridlock, headed north.
Yeah, that was one of the things I heard. This off-duty firefighter said he wanted the fire department to block 95 so emergency vehicles could get to them, but we don't have a location, and it's, like you said, gridlock everywhere, I believe.
Okay, we probably could use some police at Orchard Boulevard at the entrance 95 southbound by Carroll Park.
14-50, Battalion Chief 6, command time 512.
Copy. Engine 30, are you able to get a good visual on where the fire's coming from, below or on top?
I got a visual down below. Definitely got hydrocarbons involved because the fire's burning right over top of the Gwynns Falls. I'm not going to be able to get much of a knock from here. I could probably put a deck going on it, but as far as up top on 95, I have nothing.
Okay, on top of 95, you can't verify?
Be advised, Fireground 4 was locked up on our end for a while. I copy now. You've got large loom up on 95 somewhere.
Service from Smith Street.
P23, 514.
Command Engine 36. I want you to check the Bravo exposure. And command to Engine 55. I want you to check Delta.
Turn 6, turn 26.
Command, go ahead.
Reference to your additional engine. We have multiple incidents going on right now. Do you need that engine at this time?
That's affirmative. We can't this time locate the source. Also, do we have a location of Truck 1? Because I lost Rescue 1 on this original assignment.
Stand by. Communication. Truck 1, Truck 1.
Squad 26 to copy southbound, just south of the tunnel, fully involved on it.
Downfall south, Izzy.
Squad 26, we're about, I don't know, maybe half a mile south of the tunnel.
Okay. The Fort McHenry tunnel around Caton Avenue.
Way north of Caton Avenue, on the southbound side of 95, just past the Harbor Tunnel on the left shoulder. We're going north in the southbound lane.
Okay, our incident's around off the Fort McHenry tunnel.
Keep me up, Mr. Command.
Go ahead.
My property in excess is just about to commit to 95. Would you like to relocate it somewhere else?
I'm still trying to, Stephanie incident involving 95. I'm still trying to make my way up there. It's gridlock. Looks like the incident is on the southbound side, but having trouble getting there.
Okay, we'll be accessing off of 395 by the stadium. We can come up there.
All right, right now, communications. We have multiple cars involved. We have it on 95, several tractor trailers, several cars due to the ice. The incident is going to start at 95, southbound off Washington Boulevard. We're going to direct everybody that way. We're going to need several medic units, EMS officer. At this time, I don't know how many injured we have. Multiple tractor trailers, cars. We're probably going to need several rescues, mutual aid. Go ahead and dispatch the shift commander. I'll continue to advise.
I'm up here on top of I-95. I-95 is a complete patch of ice. I am involved in an accident. There are several cars. They are sliding, and as they come down I-95, they slide right into the accident. We will need any use that's coming up here. Be advised, I-95 is a sheet ice.
Okay, it's for Engine 47. Where exactly is your accident?
We are disabled. We are involved just above the fire of I-95. The fire is not on I-95 as much as below I-95.
But you were on 95, correct?
That is correct.
Yeah, the fire's going to be below 95. Where it's coming from, I still don't know. We're going to need police immediately to Washington Boulevard, enter southbound side. Rescue 1, that's where you want to come in, from the southbound side, where we'll make our command post.
In the area, reported icy conditions, several accidents. Engine 51 respond. Southbound I-95, exit 60 to Moravia Road. For the vehicle fire, proceed in with caution. Several accidents in the area. Proceed in with caution, icy conditions.
That's when we have access to some of these units.
All right, hey Chief, we're at Caton and 95. We're going to try and come southbound in the northbound in the southbound lane. Traffic stopped. I think we can probably make up pretty good ground if you want me to continue this way.
That's fine. You know, however you best can get down there, but looks like it's going to have several injuries, possible mass casualty incident. Just want to try to get as many units as we can to the command post to start working on us finding out how many injured we have.
Communicate.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. We just got off 95 at MLK. We're getting on MLK. We're going to come back up Washington Boulevard. Do you want us to try to get close to the fire to set up ladder pipe? Is this with extinguishment? Or you want me to come through the traffic on 95 and assist with recon? I will tell you this. All the side streets along 95, we got box trucks sideways, and we're going to have a lot of trouble getting emergency traffic to us.
Now we're going to have to start up here. The fire 30 engine is going to have to coordinate that and handle that incident. It's more important that we get up on 95. There is access from Washington Boulevard. We got to get up here and start coordinating this.
Communication to command.
Go ahead.
Okay. You want to
We have also
is that engine 47. Command. How many medics do you want me to start, and do you have a staging area you want me to send them to until we know exactly where we need them?
Right now, we have good access to the staging area. They can enter the ramp at Washington Boulevard southbound, and we can make the command post, and just below there, they can stage, and that's where we're going to need to send them. So everybody's going to enter off, and we're going to need police to deny access besides emergency vehicles right there at Washington Boulevard and 95.
22. I'm going to see if I can start you off with 3 of them.
I copy. Just remind everybody to use extreme caution.
Truck 23, we're en route to that location, Washington Boulevard, 95.
Sir, between the dining room and kitchen. Truck 23 communications. Did you copy? I was going to go to Washington Boulevard, 95 to assist Battalion Chief 3.
Truck 23, Battalion Chief 6 needs you at his location.
Copy. Where's that?
524.
Brazil Fire Building.
EK-47, communications with Battalion Chief 6. You have a message for Truck 23.
Okay, where's your gain entry?
Rescue alarm 95-11. Operations Fireground 4, Fireground 4. Medic 1, Medic 9 respond. Washington Boulevard and 95. Stage on Washington Boulevard. Use caution in area. Several accidents. Stage Battalion Chief 3. Rescue alarm 95-11. Operations Fireground 4. Sector 995. Bomb marker 33. Medic 1 and Medic 9. Stage at Washington Boulevard and 95. On Washington Boulevard. Use caution. Ice in the area. Proceed in with caution at 525.
Looks like it's definitely under the overpass. I'll give you an update on Patience in a second. It's extremely icy, so if we can get a couple ice trucks up this way, or sand trucks. Also advise if anybody at Baltimore County units are not going to be able to get on 95 North. It's completely gridlocked with its own accident.
All right, copy.
Communications to command.
Communications.
Engine 47, be advised, we just found a car under a tractor trailer. We checking now to see if anyone's trapped. We see rescue one to rescue one to see where they at, and we may be needing assistance.
As far as we have several accidents involved on 95. Take your time. Let's just get good locations and try to assess this whole area. Communications. I think the best spot for the command post, when the ship commander gets here, or additional battalion chief, might be at Washington Boulevard. We'll make the operation section on 195.